In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a template in Google Sheets. To begin, open the Google Sheets file you want to turn into a template. This can be any spreadsheet you have already designed, such as a project tracker or a Gantt chart. Before you make it a template, take a moment to confirm the layout is exactly how you want others to use it. Templates work best when the headers, formatting, and formulas are already in place, so every new copy starts clean and consistent. Once your sheet is open, go to the top left corner and click on File. From the File menu, choose Make a Copy. This is the fastest way to create a template-style version for yourself, because it lets you preserve one master sheet and generate a fresh working file whenever you need it. A dialog box will appear where you can name the copied file. Type a clear name for the copy. In this example, you will type the word highlight as the file name. Naming your copies clearly helps you keep track of which file is the original master and which file is a working version. After you enter the name, click Make a Copy to confirm. Google Sheets will create the duplicate and open it in a new tab. Now that you have a copy, you can share it in a way that encourages other people to create their own copy instead of editing your master file. In the copied spreadsheet, click on the Share option, then look for the link access setting. Click where it says Anyone with the link, so the file can be opened by people who have the link. This step is important because if the file is restricted, others may not be able to reach the template prompt. Next, click Copy Link to copy the sharing link to your clipboard. When you paste that link somewhere, you can also adjust it to behave like a template link. The key detail is the ending of the web address. If the link ends with Edit, replace that ending with Template Preview. This creates a template preview page that prompts viewers to make their own copy. When someone opens the updated template preview link, they will see a page with a USE template button. Clicking USE template creates their own separate copy, keeping your original file unchanged. And that is all there is to it.